Before you fall asleep, before you fall into a dream and believe what they say, do you think you can wait? Stay awake with me. They wanna separate us, criminalize and debate us. We won't allow it, we won't allow it. Our fists are too high in the clouds. See, and when we bump, we summon the rain. The power of water soothing our pain. They can keep testing, there's nothing to gain. See, still we have trained our brains. Mind over matter, free in our chains. Hatred they bring just don't mean a thing, we still spring. Oh, when the seasons change, seasons change. Oh, ooh, 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 I know we really thought we'd get free like this. If you live a life of deficit, it's easy to dismiss your own well-being. Forget your breathing, lost in a grind. Forget you are alive and have so much to live for. Starting from your core, I hope that you remember this message from ancestors. We are still breathing in everything you do. They're deep inside of you. You can call on them if someone attempts to dim your light. But one day turns into night. It's time for you to rest. Soon we manifest our purpose. I need you to be well, your life is worth it. I need you to be well on the way, on the way, on the way. Preferably the whole way, 'cause you're my ride or die. But I'd rather you live your whole and fullest life. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. La 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 la.